Hello people, you're welcome back to the channel. It's your one and only Lady Jackson bringing you this particular update on the Big Brother Naija All-Star Season Week 4 as it is hot. Now, the previous video of me talking about the disqualification, you see, is this not the universe saying something? Ike was supposed to be disqualified. Okay, I was talking about the strikes that was given by Big Brother, and I was really pissed. So I was talking with so much intensity. I am sorry. Y'all know that I'm a super baby girl. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to reveal to you the continuous beta exchange between Doyin and Venita, the little conspiracy and what do you call it? Encouragement and self-affirmations that the guys who plotted the evil against Ilebaye were doing, and you know, the disgust in the face of Ilebaye saying that Neil is beside her, and even the fact that, you know, what's her name, Alex broke down, but Alex doesn't know that she's threading on a thin line. Now, of course, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to share comments down below and also share this video. So, of course, immediately after the strike was issued and Big Brother was done with the housemate, and, you know, after the initial fight between Doyin and Venita, we saw that Seyi accompanied Alex into the dressing room where Alex had allegedly broken down. Of course, while we were watching the recap of what actually happened, Alex broke down and was crying at how bad and terrible this guys were to have conspired and achieved this against Ilebaye. And then here she was crying to Seyi, saying that she does not know why she's feeling choked. She's tired of this place. Like this, everywhere you turn, people are toxic and evil, that she cannot imagine how terrible this is and all that. And she was consoling her, and in my mind I'm like, excuse me, Alex, of all people you should be complaining and relaying what you're feeling to, it is one of the people who actually caused the problem. Girl, if you don't know, you're actually going to be losing your game if you continue like this. But who am I to predict the future? I'm just saying from an opinion aspect. Now, moving on from that, we saw that Pere and Seyi and Ike and Venita had to go seclude themselves in the pink room. And, you know, Ike was saying he's so ashamed, he doesn't know what to do, he's confused, he cannot even leave this pink room. He feels like he should just lock himself up here and understand when everywhere calms down before he can go out. Seyi was just quiet, and here was Venita saying that if that they had disqualified Ike, what would she have done? That they should be careful. Oh, Ike had gone so deep into it, and here you, Seyi, you're floating around. I'm like, instead of you to be scolding your friends for the evil that was done, and you should be feeling remorseful for the part you played in it, you're just patting your egos. I'm like, oh wow, girl. Anyways, I see one reason why your cousin cannot even be around you. Anyways, moving on from that, we saw that Neil went to the dining table to meet downtrodden Ilebaye, and he took her to the room, and of course Doyin followed suit. Bbnaija8 was making the hair of Pere and was very jealous, obviously, as usual. And this way we were having random conversations as to how the Ilebaye should actually learn to not be afraid of anybody. Yes, she mustn't necessarily fight, but she shouldn't let people control her. That they've seen how Kidwaya and even she were controlling her, and Pere too, that she should stop. Yes, they know that she's scared because she has a strike, but she should learn to stand up for herself, but not get to the point of getting another strike. If not, this will mess with her esteem. And soon I was hearing somebody shouting, and guess what? It was Venita. Venita was shouting and insulting Doyin in crazy ways that I could not even begin to explain. And of course, Doyin was hearing it, and she was turning to Nia like, this is your cousin. You hear the shouts. Look at what she's doing. A mother of two. Like, this is not how a mother actually acts. She cannot even own up to her mistake, and she keeps shouting and making noise. Like, I don't understand. And while she was saying all she was saying, Venita was there shouting and insulting Doyin that she's a loudmouth, she's dehydrated, she's a cunt, she is this and that. Every day she's painting her face face like a masquerade. Which other new face will you paint today? See, honestly, when she said that, I started laughing because I know I've complained about Doyin's makeup. I know I've said that Doyin spent literally 3 hours every day on each session just to do her makeup. And while Venita was shouting, Doyin didn't even raise her voice. Ilebaye held her hands that, no, don't react. Don't let it pass. Let her keep saying what she's saying. And of course, Doyin kept repeating, this is not a mother. A mother would never act like this. Venita went on to say, Doyin, James, I'll be doing whatever. Come and meet me. Let me put you in your place. Let me shut you up. Fucking F you. BITCH, like she just, oh my god. See, seriously, day by day, Venita, oh my god, I'm even misplacing her name. Venita is pulling herself and digging her own holes for herself, and I hope she doesn't live to regret it. Like I said previously, after slut shaming, what do you call her? Angel's mother is allegedly waiting for you out of the house, so you just fix your shit. And moving on from that, we saw that the clique of wizards, the clique of wicked, vile men gathered once more. And when I say the clique of vile men, there was, what's his name? Seyi, Kidwaya, Ike and Pere. They gathered and were having conversations, and they were strategizing on how to handle the situation, how to fix and rearrange and make sure that the game continues the way it's going and, save their asses, in quote, whilst they're putting other people in the line of being cut out of the show. And here was, Seyi saying that, how do you even put it, that whatever is happening right now, both the reactions of Doyin and Ilebaye, it's like they plotted it. And I'm like, excuse me, what are you guys saying again? That, you know what, let them just chill and calm down. The cloud will settle and they can, get on with their lives and with everything and still play that game very good. And then here was Pere encouraging, what's his name? Ike, saying that, you know what, it's the whole dramatic thing that they're doing. I know they would hate me more than you. So just be yourself, calm down, and soon everybody will warm up to you. I know they will hate me more. But I can recall that this thing they're doing was actually planned, because I remember that yesterday after the waiter money points task, I could see Ilebaye was boning her face. And when I tried to talk to her, she gave me a stern look. And then it was later that Kidwaya was telling me that Ilebaye gave him a go-ahead to promote his business, and she was now pissed. I'm like, how can you be so terrible? For someone who feels and claims he went abroad, he is matured and 38 and all the 9 yards, I expected you to always listen from the two parties to understand every issue. But no, you're as stupid as they come, so we understand how you can react. And that was just a conversation they were having. I was literally bored at it and hoping that these people get to keep digging their own graves deep in, day out. For now, I can see that Frodd, Ike are playing good games. Although Ike is seemingly playing the better game, she is a friend to everybody. Frodd is hiding under the wings of Ike. Alex is almost tarnishing her game by being close friends with Seyi. Cross, for someone like Cross, I really like the game he is playing, and I hope he gets to refix himself, knowing that all the guys he's claiming to be friends with, they're all vile human beings. And I just want to see how this continues. Later this night, I'll give you more gist on everything that happens, so stick around.